Alright, so it is raining right now. We are getting hit with some pretty heavy storms, tonight. Thinking like the next 10 minutes, it's gonna get pretty, strong. Oh, crap. Right now it's just, raining a little bit. I'm gonna back up because there's a car pulling in. I don't want to seem creepy. But, yeah. Yeah, so basically, we're getting hit with some pretty big heavy storms tonight. Yeah. So, there's also a possibility for maybe some tornadoes as well, which I'm quite excited about. Not really for like an actual tornado, but like just like a warning, because I guess it's so I can hear the sirens, and so that as I like to film it. I know I can just wait till Saturday to hear the sirens, but then again, I have a tendency to sleep in, so I pretty much don't get to hear them. Same thing with like, well, I mean sometimes I am awake, but sometimes I'm either in a different city or I just got my headphones on. I can't hear them. Because I got that thing on. I mean, I can still hear them with the fan on, but whatever. I guess I'm not paying too close attention. So, I don't see any lightning flashes, but yeah. Look at that. Look at that rain that'll come off the light. Well, that was interesting. I don't know how it's gonna be. Okay, nothing. There it is. Okay. Well, seems like the storm is like coming from down there, so. Like come in two different directions, come from there and there. Probably even behind me. Well, I don't know. Before, vast majority of Ohio was under like flood watches, flood warnings. So, yeah. I don't think I've ever actually been for like a flood at all, but well, I may have, but I don't remember. Yeah. So, I don't really know if anything's gonna happen, any tornado warnings are gonna happen, but if they are, I will be sure to film them. So, yeah. Anyways, yeah, see you guys in the next one.